All right, so here we are in Mumbai, finishing our course now. Let's take a quick review with all the candidates what we have on board. Let's hear from the candidates. Madam,
I'm Dr. Kavya. I'm from Bangalore and I found this course very insightful and very helpful for my future.
fantastic.
I am Dr. Pranika from Dehradun and I joined this fellowship for my career. And if you want to grow, have the best mentor in life, choose ISAMET.
Thank you so much, Madam.
Myself, Dr. Aishwarya Mhatre from Thane, and I've enrolled for fellowship course. And ISAMET is complete fulfillment of the commitment which was given from day one, and excellent experience.
Thank you so much. Madam, to have a British course.
Dr. Rukhe Vasega from Mumbai, Andheri. I'm joining the course fellowship in aesthetics and cosmetology. Great mentor, great environment of educational environment, great learning.
Thank you so much.
I'm Dr. Krina Jivani from Surat. I joined this fellowship course for my entire career growth, and mentors are very helpful and friendly nature.
Thank you so much, Madam Senior.
Dr. Shilpa, I am from Mumbai. I am a gynecologist. This is excellent, ISAMET. It is worth the time and more than worth the money.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Madam Business too.
I'm Dr. Kajal Shah from Ahmedabad. ISAMET is superb.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, dear. She came from Pune. She was not able to finish her driving last time, so she joined us in this Mumbai batch. And I am pretty sure that now have completed the entire study,
Of
right?
course, I am Dr. Apeksha. Sorry to correct you, sir. I am from Nagpur.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. She's from Nagpur. No, you joined me in Pune, no?
Yeah, I joined for Pune batch. Somehow I couldn't complete the course, but Tejinder sir helped me and supported me a lot. Thank you very much to Tejinder sir and mentor Dr. Manish sir. He is fantastic. So, three
She
cheers.
don't have words seems now, na?
Thank you.
Here we have Dr.
Myself, Dr. Hamna Kausar. I'm from Bhusawal. I submitted awesome. I complete my fellowship and my experience is super.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Nikita Gohat from Mumbai and I have joined ISAMET with the learning was very great. The basics and advanced has been all cleared and the doubts are very good. Like they solved all the doubts and the experience was great with a positive attitude.
Fantastic. Madam.
Myself, Dr. Pooja, I'm from Mumbai. Since the day one, when I've joined the ISAMET, what the motivation we got, was amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Doctor came from all the way from Kerala. By car. Imagine she don't get flight. She planned on the very last minute. I am pretty sure that now is worth it.
Yes, sir, very much. I'm Dr. Nadia. I'm from Kerala. The first day I was a little bit nervous, all the way around from Kerala coming to Mumbai, taking this much risk, but it's worth. Great mentor. I have to give a very hands off to my sir. Like I was sitting again to my MBBS class, learning the basics, and sir,
Thank you so much.
You motivated me to come back, take risk, come here, and I think you should prefer this academy for your further studies.
Thank you so much. Now we have Dr.
डॉक्टर अलीम शेख फ्रॉम मुंबई कुर्ला। जो 7 दिन का जो हमारा सफ़र था और जो 7 दिन की ट्रेनिंग है वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत और हसीन थी। मतलब कुछ जो तजर्बे हैं वो इंसान अपने अल्फाज से बयान नहीं कर सकता, उसको सिर्फ महसूस कर सकता है। तो ये जो तजर्बा है वो सिर्फ मैं महसूस कर सकता हूँ कितना खूबसूरत कितना हसीन था। मेरे ख्याल से जितने हमारे साथी थे वो बहुत ही अच्छे से इन्होंने सारी ट्रेनिंग ली, बहुत अच्छे से सीखा और सारे खुश हैं और मुतमईन हैं कि उन्होंने जो यहाँ पे अपना टाइम दिया, जो भी वक्त दिया, उनको पूरा उसका जो सिला मिला और वो उन्होंने काफ़ी कुछ यहाँ से सीखा। सिर्फ ट्रेनिंग ही नहीं, उसके अलावा जो साइंटिफिकली सर की जो अप्रोच थी, सारी जो उन्होंने बेसिक क्लियर की, वो बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त था। मतलब कभी कभी ऐसा एहसास होता है कि ये सर अगर पहले मिले होते तो काफ़ी अच्छा होता, काफ़ी कुछ सीखने मिलता और हमारी बेसिक पहले से क्लियर हो जाती। लेकिन ये है कि इंशाल्लाह हम कोशिश करेंगे कि इसी नहज पे आगे भी पढ़ते रहें और अपडेट होते रहें, क्योंकि अब अगर हम पढ़ेंगे तो काफ़ी अच्छे से उस चीज़ें ग्राफ्स कर सकते हैं, उसको जज्ब कर सकते हैं, उसको समझ सकते हैं। तो हमारी ट्रेनिंग इंशाल्लाह आगे भी कंटिन्यू रहेगी, ऐसी एजुकेशन आगे भी कंटिन्यू रहेगी और जो फर्दर सर के कोर्स हैं एडवांस कोर्स, उसमें भी हम ज़रूर हिस्सा लेंगे और पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे।
We have generated with the candidates. Yes, we have advanced learning around there. when you finish your fellowship course with us, there's a basic foundation of the aesthetic practice. You start from here, and from there you have multiple things to do. And the level of confidence we have generated with the candidates, that we are there with you even after completing your training. If you got any further learning around there, yes, we are there with you. So this the confidence has to be two-way street with us. So I'm pretty sure. Thank you so much for with us, sir.
Hi, I am Dr. Sachin Gaon from Navi Mumbai. It is just educated feast, and it is provided by our mentor,
Dr. Manish
sir. And I will also tell ki it is the cherry on top of ice cream.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
It's a very fantastic learning process.
Learn from Mr. Dr. Rahin.
Hello, hi guys. Myself Dr. Rahin from Mumbai, Baikala. If you want to start your aesthetic practice, then ISAMED is the first step.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ISAMED. Thank you, Dr. Manish.
Thank you. Here we have Dr. Abdullah Sheikh.
Hi guys, this is Dr. Abdullah Sheikh. I am already a dentist and I am into implantology, but I wanted to explore my field more. That's why when I came in contact with Tejinder Singh, he told me that Dr. Manish is very good at aesthetic and surgical procedures. I didn't believe him. But when I came on the first day of hands-on, it was very hectic, but it was very knowledgeable. Like, I haven't imagined that we would be staying from 9:30 a.m. till 10 o'clock in the night. But it was worth. And I would recommend that if you want to learn aesthetics, really, you should join ISAMED and you should contact Tejinder Singh and give my coupon code. He will give you special discount also. Okay?
See on the other hand, so you see that, okay, sometime we got training for like 8 days, 10 days, 12 days. It doesn't matter. Matter is that when you come for training, we are going to grill you like anything. Every minute you are in this center, it has to be worth it. Rather than spending for 10, 12 days or 13 days, rather than concise the training, spend more hour in the evening so you can encash it more. See, when we are planning these kind of courses, we wanted to make it sure that you got the maximum encashment for those days. Rather than, leaving the course in the 5, 6 in the evening, rather than we extend our days for like 8, 9, 10. We got more patients in smaller time, so that you can encash your time. When we are into medical domain, you are leaving your practice, your job, hotel staying, this and that, everything down there. So we wanted to ensure that you get the maximum output of the training. It doesn't matter that we got 7 days, 8 days or 10 days, whatever time you're spending over here, we're going to make sure that every minute is worth it. Every single penny is worth it. Thank you everyone. God bless you all.